Hi guys, today I want to unboxing this. This is a grease, but let me take it out first. Then I introduce this kind of grease. Okay, special grease. Okay, so please wait a while. Open it. Okay, wait. Okay, take it out first. Okay. Okay, nothing ready. Okay. So this is the grease Mobll. Okay, Mobll brand. Okay. And then okay, this is Mobll grease XP-H222. Okay. The level and can stand until 360 Celsius. Okay. And then this one is USA brand. And this is the Mobll grease. Okay. So this Mobll brand Mobll grease is premium multi-service grease. Okay, but it blue and sticky premium lithium complex grease. Okay. Because it can stand until 360 Celsius. Okay. So now let's look inside this color of the grease. Okay. Oh, nice. Blue in color one. Okay. You see this one? Oh, nice. Blue in color. Okay. Okay, blue in color. Okay, now close it. Okay. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. So please like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you and bye.